Hey guys, Zach Awesome123 with another NASCAR Authentics unboxing. Dale Earnhardt Jr. We're gonna unbox it and see what we got. Okay, so this is the nationwide card. Here's the magnet. It's like one of the window siders. I thought it's a pretty cool magnet. Nationwide, Dale Earnhardt Jr., number 88. So this is his nationwide car. You see regular Mountain Dew. Nationwide is on the side. It's a Chevy. It's nationwide. It's blue, silver. So I'm trying to figure out all the details on this car. Goodyear, number 88, nationwide's on the side. Look at this thing. Down here, you can see all the nice details in the car. It looks nice. Yeah, this is like a really nice car. Let's see if we can get maybe inside for you guys. Okay, so you are like basically inside this car. You can basically see the inside of the car. Earnhardt Jr., nationwide. All the little details. And there, here's all the detail. So yeah, this is the number 88 nationwide Dale Earnhardt Jr. car. So it's pretty cool. I like the car, and I would recommend I got from Target. So yeah, please subscribe to this video and let me know for more awesome stuff, guys. Alrighty, bye guys, bye guys, and 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 bye guys.